In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send BCC emails in Gmail. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it lets you email a group without revealing everyone's addresses to one another. It's perfect for announcements, newsletters, or anytime you want to protect recipients' privacy. Start by opening your web browser and going to Gmail. Sign in if prompted, and make sure you're on your inbox. We'll use the standard Gmail web interface for this walkthrough so everything looks familiar. Open a new message by clicking Compose. You'll see a message window appear, usually in the lower right corner. This is where you'll set up your email. In the To field, enter your own email address. This keeps Gmail from treating the message as empty and ensures it sends reliably. Don't worry, adding your address here won't expose your recipients' addresses. They'll only see that the email came from you, and they won't see who else received it. Now look for the BCC option in the message header. If you only see To and CC, click the small BCC link to expand that field. BCC is the private recipient list. People you place here won't be visible to anyone else on the message. Type or paste all recipient email addresses into the BCC field. Separate them with commas, or press Enter after each one. Take a moment to double-check spelling, remove duplicates, and make sure you're using the correct domains. Accurate addresses reduce bounce backs and help your message reach everyone as intended. If you're working from a list, paste carefully and scan for stray spaces. Add a clear subject line and write your message in the body. Keep the subject short and specific so readers immediately know what it's about. In the message, be concise, friendly, and relevant. Since recipients won't see each other, avoid language that implies a single small group, unless that makes sense. If you include links, make sure they work. If you mention dates, times, or files, be precise so the email stands on its own. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will deliver your email to each address in BCC privately. Recipients won't see who else got the message, and if someone replies, the reply will come back to you rather than to the entire group. That helps prevent long reply all threads and keeps everyone's information private. That's it. You've sent a BCC email in Gmail. Open Compose, put your own address in To, add recipients in BCC, write your subject and message, and send with confidence.